God damn, Thea Hale, what did they put you in? Look at Duke trying to keep his eyes steady. That's some BDSM crap that they got her in. And she like 18. You can say whatever you want about HBK being a born again Christian and all that crap. He is still dirty old HBK. I'm 100% convinced that's his idea. But of course, kayfabe wise, they're going to be like, oh, it's JC Jane. Whatever. There is no, because she had that cheerleader, bodybuilder body, and they putting her in the skimpiest crap, black leather, garter, the whole nine. And they, she's walking away, and they're like, "Don't look, don't look. That's our little girl." And she's whipping her hair around like she's on a pole. I don't really thirst for people, nothing like that. I've always had my favorite diva, so to speak, since Stacy and all that. She's it now. That's that it girl.